Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and we have our Boxy charm. Alright, so you guys already know I done already opened it. Y'all already know I never can wait. So let's go ahead and jump into this February box. So first thing we have is the Ace Butte Nostalgia Palette. And you guys already know that I will be inserting a clip of the swatches, and I also will link the video that I recently did using this palette. Okay, so get into these colors, y'all. I am so here for this, especially camping, because y'all, even though it's not showing up too well, that is a true red, and y'all already know I have been looking for a palette with a true red. Okay, so I have tried that out in another video, and overall it is pretty good. The blending is pretty phenomenal, and the color payoff is amazing, so I'm here for it. So it says the nostalgic palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And this retails for $38.99. Next, we'll get into the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub, and that is this here. This is the packaging. I will also insert a clip while I'm reading of me actually trying this out. Hey guys, so I am finally going to try the Tula Probiotic Superfoods exfoliant that I got in my Boxy charm. So we're going to start out by reading the directions, and it says apply on clean skin with warm water, gently massage in circular motions before rinsing thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times per week. So I'm going to go ahead and do my normal face wash. Ooh. Ooh, that actually smells good. I don't know how much to really put on here, so I'm just going to do about, and this is the way it looks. Oh, it smells really good. Okay. Let's rub it on in. Ooh, I love the consistency. It's kind of like a gritty oil type thing. Oh, I really like this. We might have to use this more than others, and it actually kind of, I don't know if it's just me, but it gives a warming type feeling. So I like that, and it gives you, I don't know if you guys can see how it gives a full oil. Deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. I like it. Definitely probably going to be one of these exfoliations that I'm definitely going to use until it's all gone. I don't think I'm going to want to do a whole lot of switching around with the others. And I'm just going to go ahead and wash this off, let you guys know how it feels. It's not a harsh feeling like some of the other exfoliations that I have gotten from Boxy Charm. Like that green one I've gotten. That was really harsh. It kind of burns a little bit. My skin doesn't feel like we like scraped it all off. It smells good. So I definitely feel like my face could handle me actually doing what the bottle prescribes, which is 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm going to go ahead and incorporate that into my skincare. And I'm not going to switch out like I normally kind of do when I kind of have a whole lot of them. So I'm definitely going to use this for the next 30 days and see if this is my new tried and true. But I definitely like this stuff so far. Definitely. So got pores? Get this. Created with the powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and maximize the look of pores. And this retails for $32. So I actually didn't going to get into the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheeks. And this is the packaging that it comes in. And it comes in a case like this. Whoop. This is the clear side. And let's see if I can open the other side. And this is the peach side. I have tried this. I would not say this works well for my melanin babes as far as a cheek. And with the lips, I have tried this. I would recommend not trying it by itself. I'm going to try again with this, but my first time, I looked a little hungry. So, yeah. I'm going to try again. This may have to be a mixture for that. But, yeah. That retails the lip and cheek. It says, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto the skin, while the clear shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and a glow. This retails for $22. Next, we're going to get into the Glamoury Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. This is the palette that it comes in. I love this case. I'm sorry, I'm talking about palette.